I started this assignment by programming a new post form for users to be able to post messages on the platform. I had to include a text area, which is here, and a post button. I decided to place this section on the main page of the network site. This way users can see their posts along with the most recent ones below the form. If a user clicks on post without submitting a message, they will get this error message. But let's submit a real post so that you can see how it works. Ecuador is going through an energy crisis right now, and I live in Ecuador. I didn't have any power this morning, so I was really sad. But now I have power, so I'm really happy. So let's put a post about that. The power came back. Yay! If I click on post, we can see our post at the top because it's the most recent one. Next, I had to continue working on the main page. As you can see, it's titled All Posts. People are able to see all posts from all users here, with the most recent ones first. You can see. You can get to this page by clicking on the All Posts link in the navigation bar at the top. Each post will include the poster's username, the content, the date, the time, and the number of likes the post receives. I also had to include a profile page for each user. A user who is signed in can access anyone's profile page by clicking on the username found on each post. So for example, if we want to view Isabel's profile page, we just click on her username on this post, and we can see her profile page. Users can also access their own page by clicking on their username in the navigation bar at the top. So right now we're the current logged in user. I just have to click on my name here in the navigation bar, and here I am on my profile page. From here, users can see the data about followers and followings and all the posts they have created in the past in reverse chronological order. If the current user views another user's profile page, for example, let's go back to Isabel's profile page, they will be greeted with the follow button. By clicking on this follow button, the current user will be added to the user's followers, as you can see by the incremented number. An unfollow button then appears if the current user ever wishes to unfollow the profile in the future. A user should not have the capability to follow themselves, so I omitted this button on the current user's profile page. We can't see any follow or unfollow button on my page because I'm currently logged in. Also, I should mention we are following Isabel, so we just have the one under following. The following link in the navigation bar takes the user to a page where they can see every post from all users that they are following. We are just following Isabel, so we see all posts from Isabel. This page behaves just like the all posts page. Only users who are signed in can access this page. So if we log out, we won't be able to access the page. It disappears from the navigation bar. But let's log in. I have more information to share. Another requirement needed for this project was the pagination system, to be able to navigate through pages of posts. I had to make it so that a maximum of 10 posts could be displayed per page, as we can see on the first page. If the amount of posts surpasses 10, a next button will appear to take the user to the next page to see older posts, as you can see here. If the user is not viewing the first page, they will see a previous button appear to take the user to the previous page. As you can see here, we're on the second page. If we want to go back to the previous page, page 1, we click on previous. Next, I had to add an edit link on posts that were created by the current user to give them the ability to modify their own posts and only their posts. So if we scroll up, we can only see an edit link on my posts because I'm the user that is logged in. The way that this works is if I click on edit, I will see this text box appear with my text inside of it, and I'm able to edit it if I want. If I'm happy with the changes, all I have to do is click on save. The last task that I needed to complete was to place a like button, allowing users to like or unlike a post. Here on each post, we can see a little heart for this purpose. So if the heart is red, that means the user likes the post. If the heart is gray, that means the user doesn't like the post. That's all for my presentation. Thank you so much for listening.